Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're running Google Ads without conversion tracking, you're basically guessing. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads 2026 correctly. Now before we start, you have to have a Google Ads account. And to set up your Google Ads account, you're gonna go to business.google.com and you're gonna click on the Start Now button. After that, you're gonna make sure to enter your business information such as business name and your business website. And after that, you're gonna proceed with creating your first campaign and you're gonna be able to publish ads there. Now let's go back to our topic. And the first thing you wanna do is to create a conversion action. Now, to do that, you're gonna click on the tools here on the top of the screen. And then you're gonna click on conversions. You're gonna go and click on conversions. And after that, you're going to click on plus new conversion. Once you're going to click on and create a new conversion, you're going to choose the source, for example, website, app, phone call, etc. And once you choose the source, you're going to configure the conversion. You can name the conversion by entering the name right here in this section. You can choose the value right here. It says measure the impact of your advertising by giving conversion a value. You can use the same value for each conversions. You can use different values for each conversion, and you can not use any value for this conversion action. Now, after you set up that, you're going to select the account and you're going to set an attribution model and click on done. And after that, you're going to verify your conversion tracking. You can use Tag Assistant. You can check conversion status in Google Ads and wait for recording conversions. Make sure to always track primary conversions and use one main conversion per campaign goal and enable enhanced conversion for accuracy. And that's it. That's how you set up conversion tracking in Google Ads 2026, the foundation of profitable campaigns. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.